Is that tasty?
Right.
There you go. Oh, that's yummy. Have some of that in your tummy, huh? Oh, he's dribbling.
They didn't give you a towel or nothing, did they?
No, he'll be alright. There you go. Oh, that's Mommy's good boy.
Hey? He's Daddy's boy. Big wee wee.
Mike, I don't know if you charge this warmer. If it beeps, can you just press this alarm twice?
Twice when it beeps?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just beeping to say come look at me.
Okay.
You want some more?
Do we bring a little cloth?
No.
You okay?
Can we take him?
Yeah, go ahead and take him.
Okay.